Well, I just finished 4 days of work on our driveway. Had to fill in all the chips and paint about 140 tiles, and then put on a nice glaze that was designed by my wife Tina, and then 2 coats of sealer, and we're good for another year. This driveway and sidewalk are over 20 years old. This is the entrance to our lovely home. And there it is. Altogether, it's only about 12 hours work every year. And it's well worth it. We love our home. We love living in Naples. We like our neighbors too. This is a really great neighborhood and waterways. Bye-bye.